Greetings, family. How you guys doing? Okay, as you see right here, today I have some greens. Okay, right here I have kale. Okay, I have some cilantro. I have some wild callaloo from my backyard. All right, and over here I have a little cucumber. All right, some ginger, as you can see, and some pineapple skin. So I'm gonna blend up some green juice. This is my green juice. I don't waste anything. I don't waste the pineapple skin. And I have the chlorella. I'm gonna add to it. Spirulina. I'm gonna add to it. Silica powder, or the proper name they call it, is diatomaceous earth. Look this up. Okay? Research the benefits of diatomaceous earth. Right? And I have a little piece of watermelon skin. Like I said, I don't waste anything at all. I try to save all my skin. I don't waste them. Consume everything back. Right? And I have some key lime. Right? I'm gonna cut it up and blend it up. You know what I'm saying? So you know, I haven't been put up any video in it like I used to because I've been busy doing a lot of meditation. Too much things going on the planet right now. Alright? So I'm cutting and blending everything up right now. And it's just simple. It's the regular callaloo. This is what it normally looks like in the store. You know what I'm saying? Like the natural one is much smaller, finer, and stronger. Usually I would add some Spanish needle. Look up Spanish needle. Spanish needle is something grown in the backyard like wild in the Caribbean. It should grow in the States also, in South America and all that. You know what I'm saying? Once you hit Dominican Republic, Jamaica, and Haiti or Cuba, they got Spanish needle. And leaf of life. You guys can also research leaf of life. That's what I always put in my green juice, but I don't have any right now. I've been drinking this for over 14 years. It's very powerful. Once you drink this, you put in high vibration, kills cancer cells. Understand? Grow your hair, grow your nails. You know,
help you to remember your dreams.
Yeah, help you to remember your dreams, all of that.
Repair DNA.
Basically, yeah, help you repair DNA, like she said. You know what I'm saying? But the ginger, can I dice it up also? I use a lot of ginger. You guys know ginger is good. Pineapple skin, I use a lot of pineapple skin. Like I said, I don't waste anything at all. Okay? I try not to use a lot of key lime because it gets me really skinny. I don't want to look all that skinny, but you should use a lot of lime. Lime is very powerful. Alkaline the body right away. Okay? Lime is huge and it's powerful and healthy for your body. Okay? Alright, I'm gonna cut up the cucumber. You can put as much cucumber as you want to put inside. Make sure your cucumber is organic or natural. I don't like to use the word organic, but natural. Make sure it's natural. Okay. I try to use a lot of wild edible herbs or vegetable in my food. Alright. I usually always use my rainwater. Okay. When you catch your rainwater, make sure you filter it. You could add activated charcoal or fire coal inside of it. Okay. That I use all the time, alright? Yeah, guys, a very powerful green juice right here. Yeah, I'm gonna strain it off. Give me a few minutes. Yeah, it's the green juice right here. Once you add the chlorella powder in it, extremely black. A lot of you having problems staying in the sun. A lot of you people with light skin or Caucasian or whatever, you drink this green juice right here, protect your skin from the sun. You actually get darker, guaranteed. When you drink a lot of green juice, like the wild vegetable, the edible ones from your backyard, like dandelion, you know what I'm saying, your kale, all those stuff, they are powerful. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta drink those, guys. Give you more melanin in your skin, give you a lot of energy from the sun, you know, help you to repair DNA evolve, like she said. Alright. Okay, look what I'm gonna put inside right now. Check this out. This is the chlorella. I'm gonna add some chlorella inside. You can put as much chlorella as you like. You know what I'm saying? These things get your skin a lot darker, gives you more melanin. Doesn't matter if you're Caucasian, you get darker. Change your eyes color, all that. Alright. Let me throw in my silica and put all of that in it. put some spirulina in it. I don't have that much. Pour that in. Alright. Then I can stir it around. Mix it around. My green juice, green smoothie. This is nasty. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's nasty, but it's powerful. Help you and be a dream. So it's my green juice, family. Alright? What it look like. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, okay?